Think barndominiums are just simple metal homes. Think again. Wait until you see these stunning interiors that rival luxury houses. Today, we're diving into stylish, cozy, and creative ideas to transform your barndo. From rustic charm to modern chic, we'll show you practical design tips you can actually use. Let's get started. So, what makes barndominium interiors so special? It all starts with the open layout. This gives you incredible creative freedom to design your space exactly how you want. Plus, those signature high ceilings and large windows aren't just for show, they create bright, airy spaces that feel huge. The best part, barndos are perfect for mixing styles. Whether you love modern farmhouse, cool industrial, clean minimalism, or even a touch of luxury, you can make it happen. Let's start in the living room, the heart of the home. Imagine vaulted ceilings with gorgeous exposed wood beams adding so much warmth and character. Pair that with massive windows or even entire glass walls to flood the space with natural light. To make it feel inviting, arrange cozy furniture on a statement fireplace or a unique light fixture. And don't forget an accent wall, using textures like reclaimed wood, natural stone, or classic shiplap adds depth and a custom feel that's just incredible. Now, for the bedroom, your personal sanctuary, the key here is creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Think neutral color palettes like soft whites, grays, and beiges, warmed up with natural wood accents on the floor or ceiling. Of course, you can't talk about barndos without mentioning barn doors. They're perfect for closets or as a stylish entrance to an ensuite bathroom. Finish the look with soft, layered lighting and simple, rustic wall decor. It's all about mixing comfort with simplicity for that perfect barndo vibe. Moving on to the bathroom, where you can create a spa-like retreat. Walk-in showers with sleek glass panels make the space feel open and modern. For a touch of luxury, add a freestanding tub with rustic fixtures, like a matte black or bronze faucet. Materials are key here, so consider using natural stone, beautiful tile, or even polished concrete for a unique finish. Top it off with industrial-style mirrors and a couple of hanging pendant lights to complete that sophisticated yet rustic look. What about the kitchen and dining area? Since most barndos are open concept, this space is all about bringing people together. A large kitchen island or a classic farmhouse table becomes the natural centerpiece for family gatherings and entertaining friends. We love the look of exposed shelving to display your favorite dishes, paired with a deep farmhouse sink for that authentic touch. Don't be afraid to mix materials. Combine sleek, modern quartz countertops with the warmth of reclaimed wood for a space that is both functional and full of personality. Wondering what's trending for 2025? The modern rustic fusion is huge. Think clean lines paired with natural textures. If your space is smaller, Scandinavian minimalism is a fantastic choice, keeping things bright and uncluttered. For a bolder statement, the industrial loft look, with its strong metal and wood contrasts, is always a winner. And finally, luxe farmhouse is on the rise, combining soft neutrals, elegant gold accents, and sophisticated lighting for a truly high-end feel. You don't need a huge budget to get these amazing looks. You can create your own textured walls using DIY wood planks or panels. Give old furniture a new lease on life with a fresh coat of paint for that farmhouse look. A great tip is to mix vintage finds from a thrift store with a few new, modern pieces. And in an open layout, use area rugs and smart lighting to define different zones, like the living and dining areas, making the space feel both cohesive and organized. Let's look at a few real-life examples to get you inspired. Here's a cozy rustic barndo with a stone fireplace and warm wood everywhere. It just screams comfort. Now, check out this modern chic design. It uses a monochrome color scheme, sleek furniture, and huge windows for a really sophisticated, clean look. And finally, this industrial-style interior perfectly balances raw metal ducts and concrete floors with warm leather and wood. See, the possibilities are truly endless. From cozy farmhouse vibes to sleek modern designs, your barndominium interior is a blank canvas to express your personality. And you don't have to break the bank to do it. We hope these ideas have sparked your imagination for your own barndo project. Thanks so much for watching. If you love these ideas, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more barndominium inspiration and home design tips. We'll see you in the next video.